This Century 21 Howe Realty and Auction property video is presented by Lisa Hunt. 23-acre farm ideal for cattle, horses, any type of livestock or crop farming. Featuring gentle rolling lush pastures, cross fencing, year-round creek, a stream feed pond, barn, 3-bedroom 1-bath farmhouse with vinyl siding and metal roof needing a little updating, however is livable with public water. 2-car detached carport with enclosed workshop or storage area. Great spot to grow your own garden. Several building sites throughout the property with big mountain views of the Cherokee National Forest, so bring the whole family and make it your own family compound. Approximately 380 feet of road frontage on Sinking Creek Road. All pastures are accessible by 4-wheel drive. Low taxes. This property is located between Madisonville and Tellico Plains TN. Cherokee National Forest is a 15-minute drive with one of the top trout streams in America, and the Cherohala Skyway, a scenic byway. Tellico Lake 25-minute drive. Also a 25-minute drive to I-75 between Chattanooga and Knoxville. Home is being sold as is.